I have my candles on, I have the Christmas lighting on. My PJ is a rainy winter day. What am I gonna film next? And I thought, well, let's do something fragrant, something warm, and maybe spring summery so that we can all be reminded of the warm rays of sunshine, cool breezes of air. Let's talk about Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. We are talking intense version. We are just going to experience this holy grail of so many people together today. I'm going to walk you through the experience of wearing this fragrance and when and where I like to wear it, what pairing I think would be best with this. We're talking vibes today, so let's sit together, grab a tea or coffee, get something cozy, you know, wear your socks, and let's talk. It's retailing for $175 for a 3.4 fluid ounce, which is their like default size. I have the 1.2 fluid ounce, which is $110. I believe I got this on sale. My motto, always get things when they are on sale, because with things like this you are spending a lot of money, so you want to make sure you get as much cash back as possible. First of all, the packaging. This is like one of the most luxurious fragrance packaging I have ever seen. Holding it too, definitely an art piece. Very sturdy. You have a cap here, beautiful packaging. You will have the Eau de Parfum Intense imprint into the glass here. I have tried the original Coco Mademoiselle, and I have to say they are pretty close to one another. Even when you are going in store and you spray them side by side and smell them, you might have a hard time detecting the difference, let me tell you, because I definitely tried that. This one, it's more intense. They probably add more vanilla in here and probably more patchouli. The base notes are what makes this different from the original Coco Mademoiselle. This one lasts longer. The other one is pretty strong. It's a pretty loud fragrance too, the original version, but it's going to wear off within the first 2 or 3 hours and become more of a skin scent, and you definitely will be smelling it throughout the day. It has that Chanel signature DNA. You're gonna be smelling it throughout the day, but not the same as this. Top notes, we have Sicilian orange, Calabrian bergamot, and lemon. Very refreshing, together with the middle notes, which are rose, fruity notes, and jasmine. I have it on here for a while now, so I'm going to spray on this side new and just kind of experience it together. Yes, definitely very fresh. Citrusy, a little bit of rose, a little bit of jasmine, but it's just like you're stepping in a tropical garden in the summer. Beautiful. Now, as you get through the initial citrusy notes, you will get to detect the base note. And on this hand here, I had it for like 3 hours now, so it definitely dried down and, you know, combined with my natural chemistry. I don't scent any more of those citrusy notes at all. I scent more of the rose and the jasmine. Very faint jasmine though, because we all know jasmine is a hard scent to formulate that can last long. This fresh side, you can definitely get very strong soapy jasmine rosy notes. Now I can sense the base notes, which are the patchouli, Madagascar vanilla, in this case slightly heavier than the original. I feel like in the vanilla and next one, tonka bean department. Also, I feel like it has more white musk. In this one, it's one of the base notes as well. Platinum is the last base note in this fragrance. I'm basing all of this in fragrantica.com. It's a lot softer after you wear it for a few hours. Now it becomes more, I would say sensual in a way, in a fun and active, not super sweet by any means. This is definitely not a vanilla scent. This is one of those scents that could change the dynamic of a conversation. It's so unique and original. You can pick it out from other fragrances immediately. Whenever I meet someone and I pick up this scent, it's become a great conversation topic, right? We can talk about fragrance and then you can feel the ice break between the two people. That's what's fascinating about beauty products and fragrances, because you can use them to connect with others. I'm really enjoying when I pick out this scent and I say, hey, are you wearing Coco Mademoiselle? And then we bond through that because I love this scent. I think this is such a special scent because it's beloved by so many people. Such a classic. It's feminine, fun, it's youthful, but I feel like any age can rock it because it still has the classy notes like the rose, the jasmine to provides that maturity that all the citrusy and base note might be lacking. The depth of the rose, yeah, the base note really brings this beautiful bouquet of flowers right up to your nose, with a little bit of sweetness sprinkled here and there. So I thought that I would talk about a perfect fragrance in my collection that I think would pair really well in a way that it has these vanilla, patchouli, orange blossoms, and that is La Vie à Belle. This is like the sweet nighttime version of this fun Coco Mademoiselle. Listen to me, I know this is very sweet, but I feel like these two, even from the juice, you can see they are like sisters or at least cousins. When I spray this on, I get very similar feeling. Like I feel fun, I feel excited to explore, I feel like I'm traveling to a hot, country. It brings me to the middle of the summer or in the spring where I get to go explore the outdoors with friends and family. And this one is the nighttime version of that. So, night restaurants, outdoor rooftop bars definitely can be used for winter too. So these two, so I use it today and it's winter. And it really brings me back to that space, Coco Mademoiselle. So I would use this throughout the day, and if that night I need to go somewhere, I will top the same scent that I already have on my skin because this is pretty long lasting. So I would still get some of that Chanel DNA, and then now I get to experience a whole new level of sweetness. I also have a full review for this fragrance on my channel. Make sure you check it out in the description box. But yes, let me know what you think. I just thought I'd jump on here very quickly and express my love for fragrances. And if you have the same feeling about them or you have thoughts to share, please feel free to share in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my content. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, don't flop.